to Onyinye's kitchen again. I hope you all are staying safe and doing okay. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate. So on today's video, I decided we cook potatoes. So our star ingredient today is potatoes. I'm going to be making potato porridge. It's going to be tasty, delicious. As you can see, we have all these beautiful ingredients here. We have our grilled salmon. We have the shrimp. Then we have tomatoes. For our vegetable, we have broccoli. You can use spinach, onions, fresh garlic, spices. We have curry powder and garlic powder, just a small quantity, bouillon, salt for seasoning. We are not forgetting our oil here. So I'm going to be preparing it. It's something that you will eat and you will never get tired of eating it. You will like to try it again and again. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. So I'm going to get everything ready. I'm going to cut the vegetables. I'm going to blend the tomatoes, get everything ready. Then we will start the proper cooking of our delicious potato porridge. I'm doing it this way so that everybody will be able to try it. I have a local way of preparing it where I use the red oil, so I don't want to use that recipe. I want to use a regular recipe that everyone is able to try. This is a way you can prepare your potatoes and you will love it. I'm showing you that. It's healthy, it's delicious, it's full of nutrients. Toast, wash it. did cut the bigger ones. Splitting the fish with my hands. Now we are ready to start our cooking. To put the seasoning, salt, garlic and the curry powder. Because it's splashing, I'm going to cover this pot and let it reduce. It has reduced the way I wanted. I'm going to add water. Potatoes. This is grounded shrimp, smoked. It's our secret ingredient. I'm from Nigeria. Almost everything we cook, we add grounded shrimp. Then the shrimp, fresh one. Everything goes in now, except for the broccoli. I'm going to boil it before I will add it later at the end of our cooking. I'm going to add more salt. Then I'm covering it. We're going to allow it and let it cook until it softens. Checking on our potatoes. It's looking good and I know it's going to be delicious. Okay, but it is not done yet. As you can see, it's still very hard. I'm going to cover it back again, and by the time I come back to the time to add the broccoli, which is ready now, I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook properly. The potato porridge is ready, you can see that. I'm I'm going to taste it for seasoning. When it's properly seasoned, so I'm going to add the broccoli. Remember, it's already cooked, okay? You can add it that way, raw, or you do it the way I'm doing it. See our beautiful potato porridge. It turned out well. It turned out perfect. Everything we wanted, the color, delicious, nutritious. I know you'll not be able to resist this. You can actually cook it because it's very easy. It's fast, it's easy. I'm going to cover it for just a little while then, so that the broccoli will soak up the sauce. Then we are done. Our food is properly cooked. It is done. Everything looks good. Look at the broccoli, very green. That's what we want, okay? It's very nutritious. It's properly cooked, see. It's mashing it. I'm opening the stove and then we break our food. This is our potato porridge. It's what we made today. It is delicious. It's a hearty meal, satisfying, inviting, nutritious. This is the end of our video. Please subscribe, share this video.